Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how I made this Cowardly Lion themed cupcake. I started off with a mix of gold and tan colored clays and pressed it into a cupcake mold. Then I froze it for a minute or two to avoid damaging the details when I slice it. Then using some TLS, I pressed the top of the cupcake that I made, which is a mixture of gold and a darker brown color. Then I used a paintbrush to add some texture and details. Then I mixed chocolate and gold color clays and pressed it into a frosting mold. Froze it again. Sliced it. And then attached it to the top with some more TLS. To make the crown, I took a little coil of gold clay and flattened it on a piece of green. Then I trimmed it to the size that I wanted. Then I just made sure it was the right length to make a circle. Then using a knife tool, I cut out some jagged edges because it's supposed to be a broken pot. That's what the crown was in the movie. Then I baked it to avoid damaging it when I pressed it into the cupcake later on. To make the courage medal, I cut out a cross shape into some gold clay. Then I just trimmed it down to size. I wasn't sure how long I wanted it to be, so I trimmed it a couple times. Then I used a dotting tool to give it more of a metal type look. And I didn't know what I was doing, so if you have a better way, use that way. I'm making this up as I go. And I recommend baking it. That's what I did, so I wouldn't mash it up when I added it to the cupcake at the end. Here I added some of the top of the cupcake color to make a tail. Then I added the frosting color to make the little fur puff at the end. Using some TLS on the crown that was baked. I put it on the top of the cupcake. And the TLS just helps glue it down so it doesn't crumble off when it's baking. After that, I added some more details to the courage badge. That's the little ribbon that holds it onto the lion. Then I used some TLS to glue it down to the cupcake. And because I want it to be a charm, I added an eye pin at the end. After the cupcake is baked, I'll add some paint to the ribbon to add some red lines. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye!